In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team board in Whimsical. This process is designed to be straightforward and intuitive, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to seamlessly create and organize boards within your team's workspace. To get started, you'll want to open Whimsical and navigate your way over to your Teams section within the sidebar. Whimsical's sidebar is your main navigation tool, and finding your team's area is crucial as it contains all your shared resources, such as documents and existing boards. Think of this as your team's home base within Whimsical. If you haven't been here before, or if it's been a while, take a moment to familiarize yourself. You might see various projects, documents, and of course boards that have been previously set up. Now, with your team section in view, let's move on to creating a new board. Look toward the top of your sidebar to locate the Plus Board button. This button serves as a gateway to adding something new and valuable to your shared workspace. As soon as you click on this button, you'll be prompted to create a new file. From the options available, select Board, or whichever similar option you find. This is the crucial step where you're choosing to add a fresh canvas for your team's ideas, planning, or strategy discussions. The final, yet equally critical step is to ensure that the new board is set up in the right location within Whimsical. When prompted, make sure that the location for this board is set to your Teams section rather than any private or unrelated section you might have. This ensures that all team members are able to access it and collaborate effectively. By default, Whimsical might suggest personal sections, so double-checking this ensures you're building in the right place. Remember, collaboration is key in team environments, and accessibility is part of what makes it successful. That's it. You have successfully added a new board to your team's workspace in Whimsical. You can now start adding content, collaborating with team members, and fully utilizing Whimsical's dynamic features to enhance your team projects. As you begin to use the board, you might find new and interesting ways to incorporate other Whimsical tools, enhancing your board's functionality and making it even more effective for your team's needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Remember to explore all the features Whimsical has to offer, as they can significantly enhance your teamwork and creativity. Don't hesitate to come back if you need a refresher, or if you're ready to learn even more about optimizing your workflow in Whimsical. See you next time.